Okay, my idea is to elaborate and to review what we had done in the last class. Okay, you were discussing about conversion of mixed fraction to decimals and vice versa. Also, we are talking about how to simplify fractions. And also on percentage, and we are talking also on decimals and word problem. Okay, number one, which you can find it from the block, is to the question asks you to convert 4.06 to mixed fraction. So what is a mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is like 2.5, 3, 2/3, 5, 2/7, etc. Okay, and you are to convert this to fractions. So before that, you must understand what is another way of writing 4.06. So another way of writing 4.06 is 4 plus 0.06. Okay, now just like when you if I say what is another way of writing 5.25, this is equals to 5 plus what? Right, 0.25. Okay, or you have 12.75. How could you write down in a different way? You can write down as 12 plus 0.75. Right, you understand? Good. Now, if you understand, then you can proceed. 4 plus, to change this 0.06 to fraction, that will be 6 over what? 6 over the two decimal places 1, 2, so 6 over 100. Now you simplify this, that becomes 4 plus, now you cancel off, you divide by 2, you get 3, and 100 divided by 2, you get 50. So the answer is 4 plus 3 over 50. Okay, what is 2 plus 3 over 50? This is equal to 4, 3 over 50. Okay, you got it? Right. If I say 5 plus 1 over 2, this is equals to what? Yes, this is 5, 1 over 2. Okay, and likewise you have 7 plus 3 over 4, that will be equal to 7, 3 over 4. Okay, next we go on to question number 2. As been found in the blog which I have you see by swingbrain.com. Yeah, we'll work on number 2. Okay, you can copy down this as quickly as possible. It's very simple. You just break up the 4.06 to 4 plus 0.06, then 4 plus 6 over 100. Express this in the form of decimal. In the form of fraction. And when you simplify, you get 3 over 50. And then you add up the two, whole number plus this fraction becomes 3 over 50. Okay, now let's go on to the next question. Question number 2. You are supposed to convert 3/9 over 100. This time you are given a mixed fractions, but you are asked to convert that to fraction, to decimal. Okay, now what do? This is the same thing as saying 3 3 plus 9 over 100. Just like when I say 5 2 over 9, this is equals to what? Right, this is equal to 5 plus 2 over 9. Okay, and you have 2 1 over 4, that is equals to 2 plus 1 over 4, and so forth. Okay, now we go on to the next step, is to convert this 9 over 100 into decimal. So 3 plus, when you have a number divided by 100, what you do, you just shift 2 decimal places, 1 2, and here 0, and here you put 0. So that would be 3 plus 0.09. That will be equal to 3.09. That is the answer for this second question. Or you can also add up this way. 3 plus 0.09 is equal to 3.00 plus 0.09. That will be 903.09. To be quick in solving the problem, you just add 3.09. Okay. All right. Next question. I've already solved for you A and B. Now I'm going to solve the C and D. Okay. That is for number 3. So for number 3, I need to solve C and D. 3A, 3. You can check from my blog. That will be, this one is for D, for C. I already solved for you question part A and B, and now I'm going to solve part C. Okay, part C, 4 over 9 multiplied by 108. So that will be equal to, okay, when you simplify, you take 108 divided by 9. You can do it through a shortcut method. You take 10, 1 divided by 9, you can't divide, so you take 10 divided by 9, you get 1, and remainder 1 here, so 1 with 8 become 18, 18 divided by 9, you get 2, so you get 2 here, and 4 times 12, you get 48. Okay, that is how you work out through a shortcut method. Or you are not very sure, you can also do it through long division, which you take 108 divided by 9. So 1 divided by 9, you can't. So you take 10 divided by 9, you get 1. 1 divided by 1 times 9, you get 9. So 1, and drop 8 here. 18 divided by 9, you get 2. 2 times 9, 18. So you get 12. So 12 times 4 equals to 48. Right, that is for number 3, part C. Now we go to D. D, what? 18 times by 1 over 4. Okay, that will be equals to, that will equal to 1. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 3, 5. Okay, I repeat, 4 times 1, 4 plus 1. You change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. This is called improper fraction. Okay, so you simplify this. You divide 18 by 2, you get 9. 4 by 2, you get 2. So 9 times 5, 45. Over 2, you get, when you divide, you get 4 divided by 2, you get 2. 5 divided by 2, you get 2. Remainder 1, so you get 1 over 2. So your answer should be 22, 1 over 2. Alright. And copy down this quickly. And we see the next one. I repeat, Okay, I repeat, 18 times 1 1/4. You convert 1 1/4 to 5/4. You convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. You get 1 5/4. 4 times 1 4 plus 1 5/4. So you get you divide by 2, you get 9. 18 divided by 2, you get 9. And 4 divided by 2, you get 2. So you get here, you take 9 multiplied by 5, you get 45 over 2, you get 22 1/2. You can also do it by long division, like 45 divided by 2, you're going to get 22 1/2. Okay, E. For E, you can you have 3/5 multiplied by 15 over 18. Okay, 3 divided by 3, you get 1. 18 divided by 3, you get 6. 15 divided by 5 gets 3. Or 15 divided by 5, you get 3. 5 divided by 5, you get 1. So you have 3 divided by 3, you get 1. And 6 divided by 3, you get 2. So 1/2. Okay. Now, for numbers 4. We have this 40%. I've done it. I've solved for you part A and part B. Now I'm going to solve part C. Okay, part C, 70% of 4.5 kilogram, and I'm supposed to change that to gram. Okay, so what you do, 70% means 70 over 100 multiplied by 4.5 kilogram. So I'll cancel off 0 and 0 here. So you got 7 times by 5, 35. 7 times 4, 28, 31. So I put 1 decimal place here, but when I divide by 10, I have to shift 1 decimal place to the left. That becomes 3.15. That is in kilogram. Okay, but you know that 1 kilogram equals to 1,000 gram. Therefore, 3.15 kilogram equals to 3.15 multiplied by 1,000. That gives you, just shift 2 decimal places to 3 decimal places to the right. 1, 2, 3. That will be 3, 1, 5, 0. Okay. So it's how you shift the decimal place. It's important. Alright. That will be 1, 2, 3. Here, the point here. Therefore, you will put a 0 here. Okay. That's why I put a 0 here. C150. Okay. Last part, that will be part D, 20% of 5 kilogram. Okay, 25% of 5 kilogram. 20%, right? 20% of 5 kg. The same thing, 20 over 100 multiplied by 5 kg. Alright, you simplify this, 0, 0. And 10 divided by 5, you get 2. 5 divided by 5, you get 1. So 2 over 2, you get 1 kg. And of course, 1 kg equals to 1,000 gram. Therefore, equals to 1,000 gram. Alright.